Hello guys, I just came back from my nature walk. I have a bucket full of things that I found while I was walking. I found them on the ground. I was wearing my sunglasses to protect my eyes and a hat to protect my head because from the heat of the sun it's too hot sometimes. So I'm here now and I'm going to show you, whoops, things inside my bucket, things that I found. Are you ready? So here are the interesting things that I found from my nature walk. I found a pink flower, a white flower, some dried leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some fresh leaves, 2. Another flower, a red flower, 2 stones, 1 and 2 little sticks, 1, 2, a tiny pine cone, a little piece of dried spice, I think. Now I'm going to show you how to decorate the first letter of your name. Now that you have all the things that you picked up from your nature walk, you set them aside. If you need to wash them, wash them. If you need to dry them, you may do so. What you will need now is the marker, a pair of scissors, some glue, and a paper. So, my name is Pam. So the first letter of my name is P. And the letter P would look like this. Ta-da! And we're going to cut it. You may allow your child to cut it if she wants to, he or she wants to try. You can help them, you can guide them. But if you want, if they don't want to do it, you may do it yourself because there are only 2. There we go. So that is the letter P. Now we need to get this part out. To do that, we need to fold it and snip it from inside the dough. Letter P. See? What is the first letter of your name? You can send me a video and let me know. So now, you may cut it out from the paper or you may just leave it here for them to trace, whichever suits you. Now we need to get some glue. And we can put the glue all over your letter. Use my hand. If I know some of you don't want to get sticky with your hands, you may use a paintbrush. Okay, so now that there's glue all over the letter P, we can start sticking. And get this one, I think I'm just going to take the petals apart so I can distribute. See? Beautiful. And the white petals and the green leaves. Oops. See, this will help strengthen your child's fine motor skills, your finger muscles, the they will be needing in the future to hold the pencil. I will stick my glue in there. Maybe I'll need more glue for the rocks, for the stones. One here, one here. And then maybe I will use the scissors to cut this beautiful red flower. Its petals. There we go. And beautiful. See? So there we have it. Ta-da! Oops. Let it dry first. Oh, I forgot to use my dried leaves. See? They can also cut the leaves and it will help them in their scissor skills. There you go. See? There it is. My letter P. I hope you enjoy your nature walk, and I hope you enjoy decorating the first letter of your name with things from nature that you found along the way. And don't forget, when you do your nature walk, you need a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes and a nice hat to keep you from the sun. Don't forget to drink lots of water and hydrate. Bye!